Good evening, everyone. Curry College Chief Weather Forecaster Joe Shock, a major Hurricane Matthew. We're going to take a look at some of the tracks and some of the imminent threats for the hurricane warning areas. Here is the 5 p.m. track from the National Hurricane Center. You can see red, all of this hurricane warnings, hurricane watch, tropical storm watches up for the eastern coast of Florida. I like this track, but I'm very, if you will, not in agreement with all this up and through New England, because I think this is going to get stuck down here, and I think after that it's going to go out, since the European and the UK Met both supplant. Actually, the European takes it about a week to get by Florida, and the European will be a devastating blow for the eastern side of the state of Florida. So I am suspect of this cone being up this far, and also the model guidance really trending south and east. So even if it were to come up, I think it would stay well out to sea. So I'm not really worried about anywhere north of South Carolina. I'm really not worried about this part of the cone at all at this time. But again, always need to watch. But again, it's very, very unlikely that we see any impacts from what is major Hurricane Matthew. Again, 140 mile per hour winds are moving to the north at 9. Very impactful storm now coming in to Cuba and obviously the Bahamas over the next day or so. So again, you can see here the forecast models are devastating for the Bahamas. There's going to be tremendous loss of life potential, and we do not know what has happened. Unfortunately, in the island of Haiti, we have no idea how many people have been injured or potentially killed in the island of Haiti and what's coming into Cuba over the course of the night. But then it gets into Bahamas tomorrow, Thursday, and then obviously the southeast coast Friday and Saturday, and then most likely will stay out to sea, and that will be the end of its destruction, hopefully, from there. Here are the GFS ensembles. You can see, again, once it gets up to South Carolina, it takes a sharp turn out to sea, and hopefully doesn't impact any more people than it already has and is going to. So we can always hope for that. Here's the GFDL, bringing it into southeastern Florida as we head into Saturday. So again, this is a horrible, horrible track. Here's the Hurricane Wharf a little further east, but a little bit more impact here in the northeast and obviously the Outer Banks. So we'll have to see what happens here and how close and how fast this is all moving, because if it moves faster and takes a track like the H-Wharf, we're more in play for impact here in New England. But if it does something like the GFDL, we're much less of an impact in the European. So again, next couple days are going to be important, but again, I think this is a major, major impact for the southeast U.S. and potentially a landfalling major hurricane, Category 3 or higher. We have not seen that since 2005 when Hurricane Rita came ashore. So this could break that 11-year stretch of a major hurricane landfalling in the U.S. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.